How to check your Costco Citi Card statement online. Let's get started. Today we are going to show you how to easily check your Costco Citi Card statements online. It's important to stay on the top of your finances, and within online access, you can do it anytime. First things first, head over to the official Costco Citi Card website, then log into your account using username and password. Once logged in, you will land to your account dashboard. Look for the Statements or View Statements option. It's usually located in the main menu or a prominent section of the dashboard. In the Statement section, you will see a list of available statements. They are typically organized by date, with the most recent statements at the top. Choose the statement you want to view by clicking on it. Now you will be able to view your selected statement online. You may have options to view it directly on the website or download it as a PDF for offline access. While you are in the Statement section, take a moment to explore any additional options available. You may have features like statement summaries, transaction details, or even tools to help you track your spending. Once you are done reviewing your statements, it's important to log out of your account securely, especially if you're using a shared or public device. Look for the Logout or Sign Out option. And there you have it. Checking your Costco Citi Card statements online is quick and convenient. With just a few clicks, you can stay informed about your finances. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.